Okay, hello. For my first extra credit, I did Module 4, Chapter 10, Questions 2 and 4. And so here I have the questions. Number 2, I'll read it out loud. It says, satisfied workers, the managers of large company wish to know the percentage of employees who feel extremely satisfied to work there. The company has roughly 24,000 employees. They contacted a random sample of employees and asked them about their job satisfaction, obtaining 437 completed responses. How does their study deal with the big 3 ideas of sampling? So if we don't remember what the big 3 ideas of sampling, it's found on page 320. The first part is examine a part of the whole. The second part is randomize, and the third part is the sample size. So I'm just gonna bring out things that we have learned from this little paragraph. The population size is 24,000. The sample size is 437. The sample survey is we're doing 437 from a whole 24,000. It shows us a sample of the population because only that many people completed the responses from the whole population. So the randomize it, we want it to randomize. If it's not randomized, then it creates a bias, and that causes the study to become invalid and you can't trust the data, meaning I like to actually use the company as an example. So say they're doing extremely satisfied, but there's the CEOs and then there's just people below them, and say they just do they didn't do a randomized test and asked only the CEOs how happy they are. That creates a bias and it doesn't apply to the whole work atmosphere. So as you can see, randomizing it is the way to go, because if not, it can create a bias. Okay, and the sample size, we use it because you're unable to observe all the people, so you choose population to go along with. You want to look at part of a whole to create a distribution. It has to be randomized like I talked, since not everyone responded, can't create using the whole population. So if it said everybody responded, then we could say it's the whole population, but this is just a sample size of the population. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to number 4. I'm going to read it out loud. The company's annual report states, our survey shows that 87.34% of our employees are very happy working here. Comment on that claim. Use appropriate statistics terminology. Okay, so for me, I said 87.34% of the sample population is very happy working there, which should be a relatively accurate distribution or a relatively normal distribution for the whole population. This is a relatively strong claim because it is a high percentage. So basically it's saying that 87.34% of the employees are very happy working there. This just is not of the whole population. Again, it's from a sample size, but like I said, it's going to have a normal distribution just because the percentage is so high. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. I hope that answers it. Thank you.